Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to Family Art and Fun. Today's project is card making. You're going to need styrofoam, paint, pencil, newspaper brayer, and cardstock. There you go. Here are the materials you're going to need. I started out using my iPad, and I had to come up with some ideas because I knew I wanted to make a card for Christmas to pass out to my friends and family, co-workers. So I came up with these ideas, and here's a few of them. Finally, I thought, well, I like birds, so I'm going to do a cardinal. Okay? So I did a nice pretty cardinal, you'll see. And I put that cardinal in a setting. And the setting was a stand of birch trees. And there's my cardinal. I started out by drawing. There's my birch trees. I added some color, red, gold, yellow, blue. I added some snow. However, now I'm going to be drawing into the styrofoam. Here's styrofoam. You can get this in meat trays, brownie trays, cookie trays at a grocery store. Just save them. It'll be a form of recycle art. And what you do then is you take a pencil and you draw. But before you do that, you want to sketch some ideas out on some paper. Okay? Then you take a doll pencil and you put it into that styrofoam like you would be drawing a picture. Okay? You start out lightly and you go back over. But be careful that you don't tear. Okay? Do not tear the styrofoam. Handle the styrofoam gently. Enjoy. Think of nice things. Feel good. And you'll be surprised when the picture you're drawing on the styrofoam will morph into something you don't even expect. Okay, next you might wonder, what is this, Mr. Steve? This is called ink. Ink is a form of paint, okay? And that tool I'm using is called a brayer. Now, if you don't have this at home, you can use paint. You can use acrylic paint or tempera paint, and you can use a brush to apply it. But you can see those lines, the white lines, that is where I drew with the pencil. So when you use your paintbrush and your paint, you want to try real hard just to paint the top part. And make sure you keep it nice and wet. Okay? So, I was speaking, but here we go. Here's a second, what you would call pull of a print. You put the ink on, you flip it down. Once it's down, you can't move it. You put a piece of paper on top and you burnish it lightly. When you're all done, you're going to lift, and there is your final print. Why did you choose a cardinal, Mr. Steve? Well, I like cardinals. They're pretty. And they always remind me of someone special in my life. So if you see a cardinal, who knows, you might just think of a loved one, a friend, someone you really care about. And that's what it's all about, children. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Have a really nice day. Bye.